Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix slow mobile data issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and you will see turn on flight mode. After turn on flight mode, so you will see wait just 10 to 15 seconds. After just wait 10 to 15 seconds, go back to home screen. After wait, you will see turn off flight mode. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so remove SIM card. After remove SIM card and clean SIM card and tray with the help of tissue paper. After cleaning, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library and just click and hold side power button. So just click and hold side power button and volume down button at the time and click on restart phone. After click on restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix slow mobile data issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.